Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Essence Janay. Now today's video is a really exciting one and I cannot wait to share. I can't wait to unbox, honestly. Now if you tuned into today's video, then of course you must be a lash lover just like I am. I love eyelashes, whether it's extensions, falsies. I mean, extensions are falsies, but anything to make my eyelashes longer, I love it. And especially if it's something that's really, really easy, I'm all here for it. So let's just jump into today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. If you like the content of today's video, also make sure you subscribe. That's another reason. Also, it's free to click the bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload. And let's just jump into it. As you guys can see, my makeup is already done for the most part, with the exception of my lashes. Today's giving a very natural, very much my skin type of beat. Nothing too crazy. I will try to have all the details when it comes to the makeup in the description box, as well as everything we cover here today. So first and foremost, I did receive a package the other day from Glamnetic. Now they are a female founded company. This is the packaging that I received at my door. Very beautiful packaging. Love the holographic look. I think that's how you say that. And of course, just their logo all across there. Received that the other day, and I wanted to go ahead and sit down and review the products, unbox them with you guys. If I didn't say in the beginning, I am collaborating with them, which is why they kindly sent that over to me. I was able to pick out all 5 lashes that I received, and we will be going through them today, and I will be showing you not only all the lash styles, but I'll also be showing you guys how to apply them, and we will be talking about it and my thoughts at the end. So make sure you stay tuned to the very end of today's video. A few things to know about Glamnetic before we get started. Again, they are a female founded company, or it is a female founded company, and they have cruelty free lashes. They also have vegan options as well. So if you're someone who likes cruelty free and vegan, or one or the other, they obviously have options for you, which is great. So they're kind of catering to everyone in that sense. Their lashes can also be worn up to 60 times, and it's supposed to be easy to use, which we will definitely test out here today. And they have a wide selection, whether it's eye shape that you're more catering to the style or the occasion in which the event that you're attending, and you want lashes to kind of go with the theme or whatever the case may be. They have that option for you. So there's many different selections to choose from, and I'm more than certain that you will find what you're looking for, honestly. So again, they have provided me with 5 pairs of lashes. I will only be trying 1 pair of lashes on with you guys, but we will go through all 5 styles that I personally selected for myself. So let's go ahead and get into the lashes, you guys. I have selected 1 of the 5 pairs to try on camera for you all. I am so excited to try these. Honestly, I think these are my favorite ones out of all 5 that I selected. I mean, not that the other ones don't look good, but this is seems more up my alley, if you will. So I'll be giving you guys all the details on this. No worries. All you need is literally the lashes and, of course, the liner. That is it. You do not need mascara, but if you want to put on mascara, that's personal preference. You can definitely do that. But today I'm not going to, just because I personally want to see what it looks like without using any mascara at all. Anytime I've applied false lashes in the past, I've always used mascara, so this is going to be a little something different. So the first thing I'm going to do is line my lashes. Now I'm going to be using their Glamnetic magnetic liner. This is their felt tip liner, and they also have a liquid liner as well. So if you prefer liquid, you can get that instead of the felt tip. So that's kind of nice that they have both options. So whichever one suits you best, that's the one you should go for. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lash line, like I said, using the liner. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have the liner applied, I can go ahead and apply my lashes. Now, one thing I want to say is that you should wait 30 to 60 seconds before applying your lashes. That way it gives the magnetic liner time to do its thing, and that way you can have a smooth application. I have waited that time out, so I am going to go ahead and apply. I am using the lashes in Vogue, and I'm really excited to put these on and try these out because I love styles like this. They did provide tweezers. These are their dual-ended tweezers, or lash grab as they call them. And I'm going to use this to apply them, but you could use your fingers as well. Oh wow. Keep in mind when applying these lashes, when you take them out the packaging, many of them do have anchors on both sides, the inner and outer corner. So you just want to double check to make sure to see if there's any anchors. If there are, make sure you remove those before applying it, and then you can stick the anchors in the inner and outer corner just to give you a little bit more security with the lash. But personally for me, I just like to pop them on as is and not use the anchors. So let's go ahead and apply the second lash. It literally just magnetizes to your eye. That's pretty cool. Now that I have both lashes on and applied, minus my tacky liner, I really do love these lashes. Now, of course, I don't have like anything too crazy going on the face as far as like my makeup, and I definitely don't have any eyeshadow. I feel like eyeshadow would definitely make these lashes pop a little bit more, if you get what I'm saying. But I love the process. Like, it was pretty easy to apply. I mean, I had a little bit of a tough time, but we'll get into that on my final thoughts. But for the most part, the overall perspective of it's supposed to be easy and just one, two, three, and done is pretty much what you get with these lashes, and I like that. So, before I give you guys my final thoughts, I do want to show you guys the other styles in which I purchased, just in case any of you guys are interested. So let's get into that really quickly. So let's go ahead and start with the lashes that I currently have on. I am wearing Vogue, and these are a medium wispy type of lash, and the lengths range from 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters with this specific lash. If I had to pick one style to wear for the rest of my life, it would definitely be these, because I'm obsessed with this type of lash, like that long, short effect. That's what I love, and that's what I migrate towards. Now, of course, I tried to mix it up with the selection that I have in front of me, but if I could pick one, it'd definitely be something like this. Next is Viral. This is a long, wispy lash, and it is in the length of 15 millimeters. It's a pretty full lash, not over dramatic, but still a little fuller than most, which is not really on the natural side, if you will. But I wanted to test and try these out because something about the style just spoke to me. Then I have Love, which is in a different packaging from the previous two that we just talked about, and I think it is super cute. I love a nice sleek black packaging, and of course still have that pop of pink. And one cute thing about this specific packaging is that it has like a little quote in the inside, and this one specifically reads, "She remembered who she was and the game changed." Next I have Lavish, which is in the same exact black sleek packaging with the cute pop of pink, and in the inside it reads, "Know your worth, then add tax." How freaking cute. I think it's just so cute that they add that little insert. It just makes it that much more, like, I don't know, fulfilling when you get your package, but it's cute. And then these last pair of lashes is called OMG, and I think this is very on brand for Valentine's Day. It's just super cute in my opinion. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but the packaging is just so adorable. Again, it's a little bit different from the other two that you've seen. Clear packaging, and on the front it just has like this text message, if you will, and it says, "I think I just met my soulmate, OMG." Super cute. These lashes are a long wispy just like the other ones, but they are a range of 8 millimeters to 13 millimeters. Alright, beauties, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. I do have some thoughts. Now, the overall process, the concept of everything, I feel like is very simple and easy, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. It's really not difficult at all, and I feel like even a beginner, someone who has not touched lashes a day in their life, if this is their first time, I feel like they can achieve it with no problem. The only thing that I feel like I'm having some hesitancy with is the liner. Now, I don't know if it's because the magnetic properties that it holds within it, that the felt tip isn't really the best method for it, but I didn't find it to glide on as smooth as I would like. So personally, I would like it to be a little bit more smoother, but I don't know if that has anything to do with the magnetic properties within the liner itself. So that could just be across the board, or it could just be the specific product in general. I really don't know, but that is what I find to just be like, especially for $42.99. I feel like that's a bit pricey for a liner. Now, I will keep you guys updated. I will continue to, try this method and use this method, moving forward, and give you guys updates. So make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel. Stay locked into the makeup videos. Stay locked into my vlogs, because on either one of those videos, I will give you guys an update in the future, if that made any sense. I'm talking too fast for myself. Now, if you guys want to save a coin and save 15% on your order, you can use my code janay with 2 Y's 15 on glamnetic.com. I will have everything linked in the description as far as my lash choices. I'll have the descriptions and things like that as far as millimeters for each lash, what type of lash it is, whether it's medium wispy or long wispy. All that good stuff will be found in the description, so always make sure you guys check that for not only this video, but any video in general. Now, with all of that being said, I am going to close out today's video here. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Look forward to much more coming real soon. I love you guys, and I will talk to all of you in my next upload.